Elements of Japanese architecture. Connection to nature. Traditional Japanese architecture incorporates several nature elements that help create a sense of harmony and balance between the built development and natural world. Some of Japanese architecture has always been deeply connected to nature, with many traditional buildings striving to blend seamlessly into their natural surroundings. These connections with nature can be seen in several elements of Japanese architecture. This is from website at lighting.com. ADG Lighting. The topic is about nature architecture, traditions steeped in Japanese architecture. The line between nature and architectures is a blurred one in Japan. The country's leading architects are using this concept to create innovative and cutting-edge designs. While the designs are innovative, they have their origins in a tradition which are deeply rooted in Japanese culture. The practice of architecture in Japan has always been to work in harmony with the natural surroundings. Buildings are built around the trees and in trees and as trees. Japanese architecture in harmony with nature. Organic architecture is a philosophy of architecture which promotes harmony between human habitation and the natural world. This is achieved through design approaches that aim to be sympathetic and well integrated with a site, so buildings, furnishings, and surroundings become parts of a unified, interrelated composition. With an indigenous religious sensibility that long preceded Buddhism, the Japanese perceived that a spiritual realm was manifest in nature. Lockout cloppings, waterfalls, and granite on trees were viewed as the abode of spirits and were understood as their personification. This belief system endowed much of nature with numerous qualities. Its nature in turn a sense of proximity to and intimacy with the world of the spirit, as well as the trust in nature's general benevolence. The symmetry of Chinese-style temple plans give way to asymmetrical layouts that follow the specific contours of hilly and mountainous topography in Japan. The borders existing between structures and the natural world were deliberately obscure. Elements such as long verandas and multiple sliding panels of the constant vistas of nature. Although that nature was often carefully arranged and fabricated later than wide and real. Overall, Japanese architecture is deeply rooted in the natural world and seeks to create a harmonious relationship between building and nature.